Hey there, I want to show you how to set up your bands on a door so that you can use them for the strength training that I do in the classes. So this particular band is the encased in fabric with handles on the end, which are nice. And then at the very top here, it's got a nylon loop like that, okay? So if you had a door anchor, you could just thread that through there. I'm going to use a washcloth, so I'm just going to simply go through that loop. Okay, so this nylon, of course, it's flat and it will easily fit over the top of a door. So depending on where you want to do your exercise or how I have set up for that day, you can go there and then just shut the door. Now this particular door, it's messed up. I don't have the proper attachment there to keep it shut. Even my cat, one day I came in and the cat had his paw underneath and he opened the door by himself. So I thought, what is going on? But anyhow, that's one way you can attach it. Also on the sides here, I can just thread the nylon through there or just anywhere along the way and then shut the door. Ideally, you would want to set it up on a door that you pull shut this way as opposed to pushing shut. That's going to be a lot more secure. Like I said, I just don't have the hardware here to keep it tight. But that is how you can set these up for your upper body strength training. Also for lower body strength training, you could do a slip knot. Let's say you've got a very piece of heavy furniture or a bed, and you would just take this around the leg of that. Okay, everybody knows how to make a slip knot, but I'll just show you. So you would just go around the leg and then pull that through, and then you pull it tight, and then you've got the handles there from down low to do your exercises there. So I hope that is helpful on how to set up your bands so that you can do the strength training that I often do using bands attached to a door or whatever I've got here in the room. So see you soon.